Good afternoon, friends. English practice 1. Let's see who's speaking today. 2. Mary's sister loves sipping juice. 3. Frank speaking about horses saddles. 4. Tom, zebra, and Dick's snake are unusual. 5. Let's zigzag on the ice with Philip's skate. 6. The candidate's speeches sounded false. 7. Thousand saw Shakira's show. 8. Her face showed a nice smile. 9. Wendy's sister liked sugas. 10. The Cyclops says these cheeses stink. Oh, along go. Only, no, not. Open, truck, show. Over, thrown, throw. Okay, John, grow. Ocean, stone, flow. Owner, coat, tomato. Oh dear, come, potato. Pond John at home. Don't go to throw a stone. Is snow on growth. You owe Joe a phone call. My nose and throw horse. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go to show alone. Somebody has stolen my comb. Thank you.